In this video, I'll be discussing how penicillin contributed to World War II. Life before penicillin. Before the invention of penicillin, there was no medicine that could cure diseases. They had antibiotics that would help diseases, but they wouldn't fully cure them. Many people were seen suffering or even dying from diseases. How it was invented. It was invented by Alexander Fleming, whose intentions were saving lives. Before penicillin, Fleming had already experimented with different types of medicine, but his discovery of this drug was unintentional. One day he found mold growing around one of his dirty dishes and decided to look into it. He discovered that the mold was penicillin, which could clean bacteria. From this he came to a conclusion on how this bacteria can turn into medicine to help people. This was called the miracle drug because it helped so many people who had wounds and diseases. Use in war. It helped cure illnesses such as pneumonia and syphilis. In 1941 and 1942, penicillin could be used to treat wounds. This could be seen in clinical trials. The first person to be a patient treated with penicillin was Albert Alexander. He had a wound that was beginning to get infected, and when he was treated with the drug, within the first 24 hours they examined that Alexander was starting to heal. Ultimately, the drug helped injured soldiers to continue fighting in the war. D-Day. This was the first major battle where penicillin contributed the most. Penicillin was being brought in with the troops during the Battle of D-Day. In this battle, the death tolls took a dramatic decrease. Along with this, penicillin helped the time of when a soldier got a wound and when he could be able to see a doctor. After penicillin. Production of penicillin increased, which dropped the prices of this drug. When it first started out in 1940, it was $20 per dose, but in 1946, it was 55 cents per dose. Throughout the entire lifetime of this drug, many lives were saved that wouldn't have been without it. Penicillin is still used today, which could be seen curing common things such as ear infections.